Hello, fabric enthusiasts. Welcome to FabFlaire. Today, we're delving into a topic that's all about cozy comfort and timeless elegance, taking care of wool clothes. Wool is a natural fiber cherished for its warmth and luxurious feel. In this video, we'll share a comprehensive guide on how to care for your wool garments to ensure they remain soft, stylish, and long-lasting. Let's jump right in. The magic of wool. Wool is a remarkable natural fiber sourced from sheep. Its insulating properties and softness make it a go-to choice for cooler months. However, wool requires specialized care to maintain its quality over time. Washing wool garments. When it comes to washing wool clothes, the rule of thumb is to be gentle. Hand washing is often the best approach. Use lukewarm water and a mild detergent specifically designed for wool or delicate fabrics. Gently agitate the water and avoid rubbing or wringing, which can cause felting or distortion. Machine washing wool. If your wool clothing's care label indicates it's machine washable, follow these steps. Use a gentle or wool cycle with cold water and place the garments in a mesh laundry bag for extra protection. Avoid overcrowding the machine to prevent friction and felting. Drying wool garments. After washing, it's crucial to handle wool clothes with care during the drying process. Lay them flat on a clean, dry towel and gently roll up the towel to absorb excess moisture. Reshape the garment while it's still damp and lay it flat on a mesh drying rack or a clean, dry towel. Preventing shrinkage. Wool garments are prone to shrinking if not treated properly. To avoid this, never use hot water for washing or drying. It's also best to avoid excessive agitation, whether in the washing machine or while hand washing. Dealing with pilling. Pilling, those tiny balls of fibers that form on the surface of wool garments, is a common occurrence. To minimize pilling, wash your wool clothes inside out and avoid friction against rough surfaces. Storing wool clothing. Proper storage is essential to keep your wool clothes looking their best. Clean and thoroughly dry your garments before storing them. Use breathable garment bags or cotton pillowcases to protect them from dust. Cedar blocks or lavender sachets can help prevent moths and maintain freshness. Ironing and steaming wool. Wool clothes can often benefit from a bit of steam to remove wrinkles. Use a fabric steamer or the steam function on your iron, keeping the iron a few inches above the fabric. Always place a cloth between the iron and the garment to prevent direct contact. Dry cleaning wool. Some wool clothes, especially those with intricate designs or linings, may require professional dry cleaning. When opting for dry cleaning, choose a cleaner experienced in handling wool garments. Stain removal. Address stains on wool garments promptly. Gently blot the stain with a clean cloth and never rub aggressively. Use a mild detergent or a specialized wool stain remover. If in doubt, consult a professional cleaner to avoid causing further damage. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to caring for your cherished wool garments. With a little knowledge and attention, your wool clothes can continue to keep you warm and stylish for years to come. Remember these tips to ensure that your wool pieces remain soft, comfortable, and as elegant as the day you got them. It was fun to have you join us on these fabrics learning journey. See you next time for another interesting topic related to fabrics and textiles.